Okay, what's up you guys, welcome back to my channel. So before we start this video, I just want to have a little disclaimer and just have a little quick chat with you guys. Now obviously you guys know exactly what's happening. It doesn't really matter exactly where you are in the world, but everybody's kind of experiencing the same thing. I'm talking about COVID-19 or coronavirus or whatever. I just want to say that I'm going to use my platform as a place of escape, I guess. So I'm going to continue with normality over here on this channel. If that is not okay with you, then obviously I do understand that, and you don't have to watch my videos in this time. But I did want to mention that. So for today's video, I have a little package. If you are a regular subscriber and you do pay attention in my videos, then you already know what it is. This is the Gucci tights, the logo tights. Now, I've wanted these for the longest time ever, and I know you don't want to hear about my little story or anything like that. You just want to see the damn tights. I understand. So here is the package it came in. I did all of them online and have them delivered to my house. So that's what the package came in. They did obviously come in a box, but I also got like a little envelope. So I'm going to tell you guys the price really quickly. It's not actually in here, so that was a waste of 2 minutes. In this envelope you have like your return label and stuff like that if you do want to return it, which I won't be. I do believe in terms of price, I think that these tights were about $100. I will add it here just in case I'm incorrect, but for now I do think they were $100, which isn't too bad. I mean, for tights it's ridiculous, don't get me wrong. It really is. Some of the other tights that you can get in luxury fashion, these are okay. They're not too bad. They're not too bad. This for you. I haven't opened them. We'll go ahead and unbox this as well. I'm quite excited. I know, honestly, buying tights, I know some of you are going to be like, this is ridiculous, like why would you even spend that much on tights? But let me tell you something about these things. Shit. If you're more of a person who's like minimalist and your dress sense is kind of toned down, you want something that elevates your outfit like in seconds, these ties, that's what's going to do it for you. Before I bought these, I stalked them on Instagram, like literally everywhere. You can wear these ties with absolutely anything and they elevate your outfit a ton, and I just wanted them. I wanted them and I have them now, and I'm so proud to be a part of the family. I'm just taking off this little stick, I guess. Definitely subscribe to my channel. It means the utmost to me, and it allows me to keep bringing these videos on for you guys. And I mean, if you're on this video already, then you're probably luxe obsessed the same way that I am. So join us over here on my channel. The channel is growing slowly but surely. So yeah, every effort that we put in is amazing, and I appreciate you guys, and thank you so much. Inside the box is the tights. I got these in a size medium. I don't know, I just looked at the size charting that was online. Yeah, you get this little card inside the tights packet. It just has like washing instructions and stuff like that, so handy for you to keep. Here are the tights themselves. I mean, they probably don't look like much at this point because, well, you can't really see them. Hopefully you can see. I'm so shook right now, like I don't even want to I don't want to poke a hole in them, so I went for those ones. I have heard though that they're actually really like good quality in the sense of you don't actually poke, you can't, like they're not that easy to break and poke through, and I can kind of feel that they're not like your typical tight material. They kind of, I don't know, like I want to say it's cotton maybe, and it's like cotton fabric or something. They feel really good, and I'm so excited to put them on. So you can see up here they have the little band up here, which is super cute. And okay, you know what, whatever, let's just stop talking, let's put these tights on, and then we can have a quick review afterwards. Just for the sake of this video, I won't use any precautions like gloves or anything. I will just put them on straight up. I do have long nails, as you can see, so hopefully that is not an issue. So let's do this together, okay? So here's my leg, okay? I'm gonna try my best to show you guys me putting them on. Are you ready for the PR resistance? Look it. Oh my goodness! I love them. Pretty simple to put on, I must say. Yes. Alright, you guys, so as you can see, whoa, my hand is so shaky. As you can see, today I'm just wearing like a pretty basic shirt, and I chucked on these tights. And honestly, so I just want to show you what the tights look like on their own. I haven't styled them or anything, so you guys can kind of see what they look like just as is. So as I said, I went for a size medium. However, the measurements online told me and suggested that I go for a size large, but I didn't. I went for a medium because I wanted the printing to kind of have, like, you know, distinctive spaces within. So that was the reasoning for that. So definitely consider that when you guys are ordering your pair. If you want the spacing to be closer, then obviously just go for your true to size. So that would have been a large in my case. I am 5'3", 5'4", I think. Honestly, whew, that gave me, I can't breathe. Holy smokes, hang on. Whew. Oh my jeez. Like, I'm not gonna lie, putting on those tights just then gave me like some sort of anxiety, honestly. And I'm not taking the piss. Like, I feel like if I was putting on a regular pair of tights, I wouldn't be as fussed about it. I just feel like I was being extra cautious just because I didn't want to like rip the freaking tights, you know what I'm saying? So whew, expect to be doing extra precautions and measures. I think they're stunning. They're absolutely beautiful. Geez, what do you guys think about these tights? I mean, come on. Honestly, it's elevated my simple basic shirt outfit that I have on right now in like seconds. I'm like, yes, honey, give me that. Who's she? It's me. Honestly, I highly recommend these tights. Of course, I have not worn them, washed them, nothing like that. Do like a, you know, quick sum up review once I've worn them for a little bit longer and let you guys know. But as of now, I'm in love with them. Best purchase thus far. And yeah, I think they look sick. It looks sick. Love it. With my Gucci gang. I just think it's an addition that honestly just up levels your outfit. So like, if you've been thinking about it and you just haven't done it yet, because that was me, like I had been thinking about it for so long, and I don't even know, like I part with bigger amounts of money, but I don't know, I was just like, do I really want to buy them? Do I really want to do that? What if they just rip like after the first wear, you know? But now I bit the bullet and I was like, you know what, fuck it, let me get the damn tights, okay? Got them, stunning, look great, love them. Hope you guys like them too. And on that note, that's going to be it for this video. If you guys enjoyed it, then definitely subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if I'm not in focus right now, I'm so sorry, but hopefully I actually am. If you haven't had enough, then definitely click this video right here and keep on watching and stay with us. I'm very handsy. If you're new here, then you'll definitely learn that about me. So you guys stay safe, have a good rest of your day, evening, whatever you name it. Do leave some suggestions in the comments down below for me in terms of what type of videos you want to see whilst we're all in quarantine. And I will see you guys in the next one. Okay.